Hello everyone, I'm back with another art fill. Today's art fill I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bird, and I will put up the image that I'm looking at for this tutorial. Just so you know, I do still use a reference, and using references is good for learning how to draw. The only way you can draw something straight out of your head is if you've drawn it over and over and over again, and very few people can get things just right without using a reference. Let's get started on learning how to draw a bird. You'll only need a pencil and eraser unless you want to color it with me at the end. So with any reference, we're going to look at it and decide what shapes we see in this bird. I see a circle and an oval and then a triangle at the end for his tail. So we're gonna start with that oval for its body and make that oval. And I am drawing darker just so you're able to see my lines better on the video. But it's better if you lightly sketch your shapes for an easier time erasing later. Then this oval, we see that there's kind of a circular shape for his head. So we'll go ahead and off of our oval do a circle. So then for its tail, it's gonna kind of be a triangle off of it. Obviously we're gonna form the actual tail later, but just for now we're gonna do a little triangle to get the idea of the shape in our head. So from here, we're gonna start connecting things and rounding things out. So it is a little rounder in this oval. So we're gonna kind of round it out a little. And then for its tail, we're gonna just kind of lightly feather that out. Into a tail, and we'll add the individual feather shapes later. We're just getting the main body of the bird down first. And right here we'll have a little tiny bump off of it for its feet. And then for its head, we're gonna try to smoothly connect to make a neck. And it does kind of go more in and then out again here. And kind of round out that head a little bit more. Bring it out a little bit because we're gonna do its beak. So if you do kind of a curved line like this, then we can add that beak in there as a triangle. And it's not going to be a direct center for its opening of the beak. We're going to kind of go a little bit up about right here. If you want, you can just draw a little dash first, and then we're going to try to bring this point down here in a curve. Actually, it's going to be more out here. So if you want to do your two dashes so you can see where you're connecting, you can go ahead and do that. So we're going to kind of do a curved line connecting these two. Now let me erase some lines so that you can kind of see the full shape better and we don't have other lines confusing us. Now, putting in its eye, we're going to go from our beak And if you want to, you can do a very light diagonal line from here to help you figure out where the eye is gonna be. Gonna be about right here. So we just do a little oval there. And then if you look at the reference I put on screen, you kind of get some shapes with the feathers. So I'm gonna draw kind of lightly a circle here. And from that circle, I'm gonna do kind of a rounded triangle for the wing. And that kind of goes out and pokes out there. And then we'll go back up to that circle that we lightly drew. And you don't have to draw every individual feather. I'll kind of show you how you can shade to give the same effect. So if we look at these feathers, you can kind of see the coloring and you just want the idea of these feathers. So I'm kind of just creating some half oval shapes where I see the feathers on that reference photo, and they don't have to be exact. No one's gonna know that you used a specific reference photo if you're practicing, so you don't have to get the feathers perfectly placed. You just want to give them the idea that this is a bird, and give them the idea of its feathers. And if you look, these top feathers are different than these down here. So these ones are going to be longer feathers. These are kind of shorter tufts of feathers there. So the idea of these feathers are going to be a little bit longer, more like V's instead of kind of the tight U's we were giving the impression of here. And like I said, you don't have to copy exact. You just want to get the idea of these feathers. So I think that's enough that we know there's layers of feathers. If we move down to the tail now, we're going to do a similar thing, but they also lay very different than that top layer. So I'm doing a little bit of a U here underneath this wing feathers. Once again, just giving the idea, not doing every single feather. We're using the shading for the shapes, and the colors of this bird actually kind of help. And we kind of have different layering at this tail. A lot of them are kind of stacked really tight on top of each other on this bird. So we're just giving that idea of those clustered feathers down at the end. And you can kind of go back and make your lines darker where you're happy with them. It looks like there's a little bit more along his back in this reference, so I'm going to do a few more U's down his back right here. And since his are mostly black, I'm going to fill that in. And we can leave one little circle here on his eye. And then I'm going to fill the rest in black. And if you want to, you can add in the shading for his face feathers. I'm going to leave it mostly limited texture for my bird because I think I'm just going to color in most of it. We can kind of, like I said again, give the idea of that kind of fluffy face. And once you're done with your feathering, let's draw our feet on the bottom here. He's sitting on a log, so if you want to draw the log after the feet, we can. I'll show you how to do that, but we're drawing from our bird here. Draw a line out like this. You can kind of eyeball it down a little bit and parallel. Do a line meeting up with that other side. And I'm not the best at bird toes, but he is kind of grabbing, so I'm going to do a little curve there. And then you're going to parallel again for the curve. And I'm going to connect these two with a curved end, and then we're going to add that claw. So a sharp C shape, and then meet that back up. He's gripping the log that we haven't drawn yet. And from here, draw a diagonal, kind of curve it up to meet that leg. And this, we're just going to give the idea of that curving around. So we're just going to curve it around like this. And kind of hide it behind that log. So if you want to use a ruler, you can, but we're going to draw a line across here, keeping in mind we can kind of do a line here first to get our bearings for where we're drawing the line across. So we can kind of connect it to that side of the page, and then from here I'm just eyeballing it over that he's on that log. And then you can kind of rough it up a little bit and do some little just ridges to show that it's not in nature. Sticks and tree branches and stuff aren't perfectly straight, so we're just making it not perfectly straight. And then if you want to, you can add little divots in the sides like our reference has. The idea of texture. If you want to do bark, I'm not making perfect I'm not doing a perfect match to my reference, I'm just looking at my reference and how these lines are, the shapes that are kind of the peeling of the bark. Doing some curves, but it seems to be mostly straight lines for the bark. And you can kind of add just straight lines across if you want to. I show how to paint wood grain in previous videos. So you kind of have to do a similar texturing to that, but painting is a bit different than drawing. So that's our bird. I hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. I'm gonna go ahead and color mine now, so if you'd like to stick around and color along with me to some music, you feel free to do that. But thank you so much for watching if this is where you're exiting the video, and please remember to like this video if it helped you draw a bird so that other people can use this video too. But let's go ahead and color. Thank you so much for joining me today in drawing this bird and coloring this bird. If you colored along with me, please don't forget to like this video, and also if you stumbled across this video to teach you how to draw a bird, please subscribe. I do other art tutorials and other art content here on this channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this art fill.